Alright, listen to this sound that's about to play now. If you have this sound in your audio, it means you have rumble. Listen. So in this video, you will learn how to remove rumble in Premiere Pro using the repair tools inside the Essential Sound panel. You might be asking, what is rumble? Rumble is a low frequency noise that usually comes from vibrations. It can be caused by footsteps, maybe camera handling, wind, traffic, or air conditioners. Unlike hiss or static sound, you know those electric static sound. If you've not heard of it before, this is an example of electric static sound. So unlike this sound, rumble lives in the low end of the audio spectrum. This is why normal noise reduction does not always fix it. So let's dive into Premiere Pro and see how to remove rumble from your audio. So I'm in Premiere Pro now. Make sure you are in the Essential Sound panel workspace. If you don't know how to go there yet, simply click here and come to audio. So the first thing we do is to assign our audio. And this audio here is dialogue. As soon as you have assigned your audio, come to repair. We are still on repair. In the previous episode, we talked about reduce noise properly, how to reduce noise in a video. So we've dealt with this one. Now, this is the reduce rumble effect here. All you need to do is toggle this on. As soon as this is on, you can see this slider bar becomes active. So while it's at 5.0 here, we can go from 0 to 10. But let me leave it at 5.0 first. And by the way, you can put it manually. You can type the digits manually here. Okay. So while it's at 5.0, let me play the audio. Let's compare the now and before. Okay. If I off the rumble effect, let's listen to it. The Pishon River said to flow through Havila is not clearly identified today. This is with the rumble effect on. The Pishon River said to flow through Havila is not clearly identified today. I am confident that I have removed a lot of rumble in this particular sound. But then again, rumble is a form of background noise. So if you still have some level of rumble remaining, just hit that reduce noise button and you see that everything becomes clean. Let's see what I'm talking about. So I don't want to slide this bar to the maximum here because I want to be sure that I'm not making the audio sound off or start bringing artifacts into the audio. Okay, listen to this one more time. The Pishon River said to flow through Havila. Now when I reduce noise, every remaining rumble, which now serves as a background noise, runs away. It cuts off immediately. The Pishon River said to flow through Havila is not clearly. So let's listen to that again. The Pishon River said to flow through Havila is not clearly identified today, but some believe it was an ancient river that began in the Zagros Mountains. Now this is without rumble, but the reduced noise is on. The Pishon River said to flow through Havila is not clearly identified today, but some believe. And this is when the rumble effect is now on. The Pishon River said to flow through Havila is not clearly identified today. But by the way, you should know that any effect you turn on here right now will come to this effect control. You can see this is the denoise tool. If I turn this off, you see it goes out of this place. So I just say, let me mention that. Meanwhile, in the next episode, we'll see how to remove electrical hum and buzzing sounds using the dehum tool. There you have it. How to remove rumble in your audio. Remember, this sound you used is one of the worst kind of sound you even want to manage. The rumble there is too much. Just keep on following these episodes. By the time we get to the end, you will find out that this audio will be as perfect as it's supposed to be, because it takes more than reducing noise and removing rumble to make that perfect audio you want to watch. If you find this video informative, please click that subscribe button. Subscribe, turn on notifications so that whenever we upload these episodes, you will be notified. And most importantly, like this video as it helps the algorithm push it to people that needs to see it.